Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pick or Rick token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now on Pinksale.finance. They basically just started their pre-sale. There's still 2 days, 21 hours, 42 minutes left of this pre-sale as of recording this video. I'm going to get this video up very soon too in the next couple hours. So you'll have lots of time to go check out this pre-sale. They were trending number 1. Right now they're trending number 12. They're kind of bouncing around the top 12 here because the pre-sale just started basically. They've already sold a bunch of tokens here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So they do have a full audit right off the bat. We could see that they were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pinksale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to Pinksale to verify who they are for security reasons. Now they have a Twitter on here, which is at Pick or Rick on Twitter. They have a Telegram, which is at Pick or Rick Telegram PS. And they have an official webpage, pickorrick.com. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So this pre-sale is being done in Ethereum. So far, they've had 27 different contributors invest in this pre-sale. It is a public pre-sale. Minimum buy 0.05 ETH and max buy is 2 ETH. Now, they set their soft cap at 56 Ethereum, so they're expecting this to be a very big pre-sale. Now, the Morty token recently, I remember that one did fairly well, so maybe they're trying to play off the hype of that token doing well, and then now they're introducing this token to follow suit. And so the hard cap for this pre-sale is 222 ETH. So if this token does reach, or this pre-sale, I should say, does reach 222 ETH before the time is over, then the pre-sale will be over too. So go check it out. And now they're not selling like hotcakes as of this moment. So far they've sold 16.48 Ethereum. So they are off to a great start, of course. They're definitely on their way to 54 ETH before, or 56 ETH, I should say, before 2 days, 21 hours is up. I'm sure they'll probably get there unless, something else happens. We'll see. But for now, they're doing great. So it says, Rick and Morty screenwriter brings Pick or Rick, the Rick coin. So the ticker symbol is Rick. And so they're calling this also the Rick coin. So they're saying that the Rick and Morty screenwriter is made this token. That's interesting. Vote to earn utility. 100% finished, ready to launch. Huge marketing budget. Direct listing on Tier 1 central exchange and decentralized exchange. 0% buy and sell tax. Coin market cap, CoinGecko trending at launch. There is going to be staking of the Rick coin. 0 team tokens, biggest crypto Twitter influencers in the space, DEX tools trending, Times Square billboard ad, big call, groups shilling 24/7, 84% liquidity and pre-sale, 420-year locked liquidity, of course 420. Big Twitter crypto influencers last project did 100 million market cap. So it's kind of, so they're saying the Rick and Morty screenwriter is bringing you this project, but then it also says last project did $100 million market cap. So I don't know if they mean a different member in the team did 100 million market cap, or the Rick and Morty screenwriter? What? Anyways, they should have clarified that. But anyways, 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens. So it says manual listing. So I'm assuming they're going to put it on Uniswap, but it doesn't specify yet. So I'd assume that right after this pre-sale is over, if it's successful, it will go over to Uniswap. I mean, that would make sense. Now, right here on their webpage, if you scroll down, there's all sorts of cool drawings and everything, of course. It looks like there is a game on the page here. So, there's a, okay, this is a crazy webpage here. Tokenomics says 5% goes to marketing, 1% goes to airdrop, 5% goes to staking pool, 84% goes to liquidity and pre-sale, and 5% goes to future exchange listings. So it says it's all about the market cap, Morty. The more holders we get, the higher the market cap. That's how we get rich. So it shows a pyramid of holders here of what they're trying to do, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, whatever. But yes, about us, it says, listen, Morty, they turned pickles into cryptocurrency. And so that's why the picture is a pickle. I've never, I mean, it's crazy to say, but I've never watched Rick and Morty. I would like to. I just don't have time to do a lot of these things that I'd like to do. I haven't watched Game of Thrones. I haven't watched Avatar. I haven't watched a lot of things that I probably would enjoy watching. I just don't have time to. I know. There's just way too much content out there these days. I do watch a lot of YouTube, watch podcasts and listen to podcasts and stuff like that. But yeah. There's so much content in the world. Rick and Morty, I have seen a couple episodes of Rick and Morty. It does look amazing. And I've heard a lot of great things. So maybe one day I will get involved with watching Rick and Morty, but as of now, haven't watched it. It says, it's like discovering the fountain of wealth in a jar of pickles. Please vote for Pick or Rick. So there's like a voting jars on their webpage it looks like you can vote for. And the winning side takes all the monies. That's interesting. It's like the Olympics of pickles, Morty. Let's get into the action and make ourselves Pepe rich. What do you say? Are you ready to take over the pickle world with me? So they have it looks like they have a white paper on here. They have a link to their audit. So it looks like it says free vote. Interesting. Okay, so it says Pick or Rick. Get in the pickle pick here and vote. The number one vote to earn crypto. So it says, the king of all meme coins backed by the biggest degens in the world. It says, whilst you're waiting, vote for a chance to win $20,000. It says, Pick or Rick, vote in the first ever Pick Rick poll for a chance to win $20,000. And it says free vote on here. So that's interesting. And they have lots of socials, 5 different socials on here you could check out. So yeah, that's basically the utility. There's is this game that you could vote on to a chance to win $20,000. It says it's free, and you could read a whole white paper. It's a 13-page white paper about this here, and it's got anti-snipe bots here. It says, which is good. But yeah, just a lot of meme stories on their page here. But it shows exactly how to get started. So you gotta attach your wallet. Says buy yourself a ticket on the roller coaster, and it goes through the whole thing there, and then you get to pick which side. But yeah, cool stuff. Check it all out. The Rick coin, and big disclaimer, of course, at the bottom. And this token is live for pre-sale right now on Pinksale.finance, so go check it out. They've already sold almost 17 Ethereum worth of tokens. They're on their way to reaching 56 Ethereum by the end of 2.5 days. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.